What's up guys, today we're going to be making an absolutely incredible stuffing. This is going to be one of the best stuffings you've ever tried in your whole life, I guarantee it. Let's get right into it. We're going to start by chopping one onion as fine as you like it, depending on how thick you like your dressing. I like mine pretty thick. We're going to do the same thing with some celery and the same thing with some carrots. You want about 1 and 1/2 cups of each of these vegetables. Here I have 6 cups of bread I actually made on this channel. I'll put the link in the description, but you can use any type of bread as long as it's either stale or you could dry it out in the oven. And now we're gonna go in with our celery, our onion, and our carrot. We're also gonna go in with 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of sage, 1 teaspoon of thyme. These are the holiday flavors, guys. Don't forget them. You're going to want to stir that. Don't be afraid to get rough with it. Don't be afraid. Now you're going to want to add in about half of your vegetable stock. And here we have 2 flax eggs. All that is 2 tablespoons of flax and 6 tablespoons of water. Stir it, let it sit. Boom. Now we're going to want to stir that together well. Like I said, guys, don't be afraid to get rough and break this stuff up. We're going to go in with a teaspoon of salt and continue to stir. Now, depending on how moist you like your stuffing, you could stop here, but I like mine a little more moist, so I'm going to go in with the rest of that stock and continue to stir. Now, this is the consistency that I'm looking for. It's the most delicious to me, but whatever you guys like, you do you. We're going to lightly grease a baking sheet. I think this is 9 by 13, and we're going to go in with all of our stuffing. You're going to want to spread it out very evenly. Don't be afraid to take your time with this, guys. Now you're going to want to tap everything with the side of your spoon. What this does is help develop an amazing crust in the end. Now you're going to want to drizzle it with olive oil and into a 375 degree oven. This goes for 45 minutes until it emerges looking oh so good and delicious. Dinner that night was absolutely amazing, guys. Make this for your friends and family. They're gonna love you forever. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and hit that subscribe button. Thanks so much, guys. Peace.